Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah with your family. This is Yeasin Khan, assistant professor and the head of the Department of Statistics, Rajaputra Model College. Today, I will discuss your 8th class of correlation and regression, which belongs to first paper. Today, I would like to solve a maths which is very important in your upcoming exam, like your pre-test and as well as the ACC exam for the 12th class of 12th. Now, I will share screen of this mess. Let me few minutes, few seconds to share it. You see an example, the data of capital and profit of a company are given below. Capital expressed in lakhs and profit expressed in lakhs, and the mean and standard deviation of both of them are given. That is, the mean of capital is 80 and the mean of profit is 40. The standard deviation of capital is 6 and the standard deviation of profit is 3. These four things are given. So if you let the capital be X and profit be Y, then the mean, you know, the mean is denoted by X bar. Mean is denoted by X bar. That is, X bar is 80, Y bar is 40. And the standard deviation is denoted by sigma. That is, sigma X is 6 and sigma Y is 3. So from the above data, you are supposed to find the regression equation of profit on capital. Regression equation of profit on capital. Okay. If the capital is like 110 lakhs, then what is the profit? Number C. Find the regression equation of capital on profit. Number D. If the profit is taka 60 lakhs, then what was the capital? Okay. There are 4 maths. In your exam, it may be set 2 or 3. Okay. Now, question number A. Find the regression equation of profit. That is, you have to find out the regression equation of profit on capital. That is, profit is independent variable and capital is dependent variable. You have to understand it clearly. Which equation you have to find out? Regression equation. Whose? Of profit. On which? On capital. That is profit of which? Profit. On whom? Capital. That is, profit is dependent variable and capital is independent variable. You see, profit is 40, capital is 80. So you let the capital be X and profit be Y. The things which is given, the two things is given, you let one is X, another one is Y. Now, what is given? X bar. Capital, mean of capital, you see the mean of capital, X bar is 80 and Y bar is 40. X bar is 80, Y bar is 40. X bar is 80, Y bar is 40. Then standard deviation of capital, sigma X is 6 and sigma Y is 3. Sigma X is 6 and sigma Y is 3. Now we want to find out the equation. Which equation? The regression equation of profit on capital. Profit on capital, that is, profit is denoted by Y. Profit denoted by Y, so it is Y equal to A1 plus B1X. X is capital, so on capital, that is, X is independent variable, Y is dependent variable. Here B1 is regression coefficient, A1 and B1 are constant and B1 is regression coefficient. Here also you have to understand which regression coefficient, BYX or BXY. If the Y is first, that is Y is dependent, it will be BYX. So B1 equal to BYX. You will read regression coefficient of Y on X. Regression coefficient of Y on and X. In our previous mass, we have discussed another formula, BYX equal to summation XY minus summation X, summation Y by N, root over summation X square, summation X whole square by N. But here, that topics are not given. So, BYX equal to R sigma Y by sigma X. Here, sigma Y, sigma X is given. R is given. So, BYX equal to R sigma Y by sigma X. R equal to 0.70 into sigma Y is 3 and sigma X is 6. So, by calculation, we can get 0.35. 0.35. Okay. Here it may mention that if R equal to 0.70, then find the following. following. Okay. So y equal to a1 plus b1x. Now b1x equal to r sigma y by sigma x. We have got the value of b1 equal to 0.35. And what is a1? From the equation 1, I can get a1 equal to y minus b on x. If I take bar, then y bar minus b on x. Now, y bar minus b on x bar, b on x bar, b on x bar. That is y bar is 40 minus b on x is 0.35 and x bar is 80. Given 80, x bar is 80. So by calculation, I can get a1 equal to 12. Now you put the value of a1 and b1 in equation 1. a1 is 12 and b1 is 0.35x. So by this, we can get the regression equation of profit on capital, that is of y on x, y equal to 12 plus 0.35x. Here y is dependent on x, so y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Now, what is the question B? If x equal to 1 on 0, then y equal to 12 plus, it is given earlier here, y equal to 12 plus 0.35x. The value of x is given 1 on 0. Then you put the value of x equal to 1 on 0. Now you calculate it by calculator. That is 0.35 into 1 on 0 plus 12, 50.5. So I have got the value of y. What is y? Find the if the capital is 1 on 0, then lakhs, then what is the profit? I have got the profit. Okay, I have got the profit is 50.5 lakhs. Now, what is our question? C. Find the regression equation of capital on profit. That is reverse. In previous one, regression equation of profit on capital. Now, this is regression equation of capital on profit. That is x, regression equation of x and y. X and y. So, the regression equation of capital on profit, x and y equal to x equal to a2 plus b2y. This is reverse. That is here a2 and b2 are constant, x is independent, and sorry, y is independent and x is dependent. And b2 is regression coefficient on x and y, because x is earlier. In left side you have x, so it will be b2 equal to x and y. So b2 equal to x and y, that is regression coefficient of x and y equal to r sigma x by sigma y. Y is the letter on, so it will be denominator. For memorization, it is technique to memorize easily that what is the letter, y is letter. So sigma y will be denominator. That is r into sigma x by sigma y. You put the value of r equal to 0.70, sigma x is 6, and sigma y is 2. That is 2.10 B2. Now in our previous mass, like our previous mass, a2 equal to x bar minus b2y bar. That is 80 minus 2.10 into 40. That is minus 4. So you put the value in equation 2, x equal to what? A2. A2 is 4 minus 4. A2 is minus 4 plus b2y. B2 is 2.10y. So this is the equation, regression equation of x on y. This is regression equation of x on y, that is x equal to minus 4 plus 2.10y. So C is completed. Regression equation of x on y. Now, if the value D, number D, question number D, what is question D? If the profit is taka 60, profit is denoted by Y, then what is the capital? Capital is X. You have to find out the X. Here Y is given 60 lakhs. Y is given 60 lakhs. So if Y is 60 lakhs, that is 60. Then you put the value of Y in this equation. X equal to minus 4 plus 2.10Y. That is 2.10 Y into 60, 122. So if the profit is 60 lakhs, then the capital is 1 crore 22 lakhs. Okay. So this is very important math. Regression equation of Y on X and X on Y. In both way, we can solve it. Okay. So I have done this math because sometimes you have to identify what is given and what have to find out. Okay. So when the language is given, you have to clearly understand what is given and what have to be found out, and what is dependent variable, what is independent variable. In this math, in question A, I have got the regression equation of profit on capital. That is, here capital is independent and profit is dependent. In number C, I've got the regression equation of capital on profit. That is, here capital is dependent and profit is independent. So if I get the profit, I can find out the capital. And here, if I have the value of capital, I can find out the profit. So these two maths, A and C, are totally different. So you have to understand what is given, what have to find out, what is dependent variable, what is independent variable. Mind you, these two things is very important for calculation of regression and regression coefficient, regression equation, and find out any value of dependent variable or the particular value of independent variable. This is very important to identify which is independent variable and which is dependent variable. Okay, I think you have understood very clearly. You have understood it. Also, if there is problem, you can contact me. Thank you. Thank you very much.